Alam natin, Althea was supposed to play as a middle blocker and now as an outside hitter. So malaki adjustment. So maganda yung tandem nila ni Hilonggo dito.
Right. 3-game winning streak for them. So we'll see. While UP trying to snatch and stop a 2-game losing run, and the specialty of the house of girls like Pertito.
Not just effective, but efficient as well. That's why it's just so hard to block her all the time, and she'll get all the points that she wants.
Saka lumakas siya. You see it. This is already her 3rd straight. This Cetaphil fast serve, sensitive skin needs 15 essential ceramides. Face a game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil. Yan din yung magandang nakikita natin, Lai, sa mga nako-cover natin from college, high school to college, yung lumalakas din, gumagaling, and skill-wise, strength-wise, diskarte-wise.
Minsan mas ginagamit si Jazz. Sometimes papasok din si Julia. So, interesting move for Coach Bok.
Kung si Coach Kung Fu finding solving problems, si Coach Bok calls a time.
Offense and defense. And for Ira, confidence in her game starts with mindset. She shared that every time she steps onto the court, whether she's receiving a ball or approaching for a spike, she tells herself, kaya mo yan. This simple yet powerful reminder helps her trust in her abilities. And this report is powered by Edwell. Now back to you, Boom and Eliza.
They're gonna miss 9.5 points. Talking about UP in terms of Nina Itang's average, she's a veteran. She's a great blocker. So that's going to be somebody they're going to miss today. In the meantime, nagpalit ng setter si Coach Bok. They have no points yet. And UST, a dream start for them. 7-0. Ito pa, no, yung rookies.
May mga moments and situation na nagda-doubt sila, but they're on the court. They must do their job.
All part of the learning process.
Yes.
Like they have to go through it. Open to Poyos. Poyos! Uy! Umiwas si Olango. And right at the corner of the Golden Tigresses on an 8-0 start here in set number 1. Again, service reception has been an issue. Cassie. Chance to counter. They open up. And Monares rejected. And it continues here